Researchers at Duke University are a step closer to creating a single vaccine against 3 deadly strains of COVID-19. The scientists just wrapped up their first preclinical stages, and they say it has been successful in mouse studies. WRAL's Shelley Jackson with more on how that vaccine works.
This isn't a vaccine you'll be able to get at the pharmacy or your doctor's office anytime soon, but it is laying the groundwork for the next big coronavirus outbreak.
So this is our 3D model of the way that we've designed our vaccine.
Kevin Saunders, Associate Director of the Duke Human Vaccine Institute, says this vaccine could offer broad protection against 3 coronaviruses.
So going back to 2003, we know that there's been SARS-CoV, as well as MERS-CoV, and now more recently SARS-CoV-2. And these are major coronaviruses that have caused major outbreaks in the human population.
This incubator is growing cells for the vaccine. Saunders and his team looked at past outbreaks to predict what could be the next big pandemic.
We know from looking at history that coronavirus outbreaks occur about every 7 to 9 years. So as devastating as the SARS-CoV-2 outbreak has been and this global pandemic for COVID-19, we know that this is the last one.
This type of vaccine provides a platform that would allow scientists more flexibility to deal with whatever comes next.
You wouldn't necessarily have to worry about the coronavirus that's coming in the future because you would have broad immunity against multiple different coronaviruses.
This is just the first stage in the preclinical research, and there's a lot of ground to cover before the vaccine would be ready for clinical trials. But Saunders is hopeful.
So we're super excited. We know that this really kind of proves the concept, and now the real question is, can it translate to humans?
Shelley Jackson, WRAL News, Durham.